Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving the equation -6 squared plus 4 times 3 squared. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to solve this mathematical expression. Make sure to grab a pen and paper so you can follow along with the calculations. Let's get started. In step 1, we apply the order of operations, often remembered by the acronym PEMDAS, which stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. First, we identify and calculate any exponents in the equation. The given equation is -6 squared plus 4 times 3 squared. Here, we denote the exponents, -6 squared and 3 squared. The equation, therefore, has two exponent terms, 6 squared, which equals 36, and 3 squared, which equals 9. So, we replace these exponents in the equation, -36 plus 4 times 9. This completes step 1, where we have altered the equation to reflect the calculated exponent values. In step 2, we continue to apply the order of operations, following PEMDAS. After evaluating the exponents, the next operations are multiplication and division, which are handled from left to right as they appear. Here, the current equation is -36 plus 4 times 9. Within this equation, the multiplication must be executed next. So, we calculate 4 times 9. 4 times 9 equals 36. Now, we replace the multiplication result in the equation. The equation now is -36 plus 36. This completes step 2, wherein we have performed the multiplication operation and further simplified the equation. Therefore, the equation becomes 0, as -36 plus 36 equals 0. Since there are no more operations left to perform, this brings us to the final simplified form of the expression, 0. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.